Our bodies are incredible machines. They are complex, intricate, and capable of performing a multitude of functions that we often don't even think about. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to sleep, our bodies are constantly working to keep us alive and well. We often take for granted the amazing things our bodies do. Whether it's walking, running, or even just breathing, our bodies are always in motion, always adapting to our needs and the environment around us. One of those marvels is the integumentary system. This system is more than just a protective barrier, it's a complex network that plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. This system is our interface with the world. It allows us to feel, to touch, and to interact with our surroundings in ways that are both subtle and profound. It's our first line of defense, and it plays a vital role in keeping us healthy. From preventing infections to shielding us from harmful UV rays, the integumentary system is always on guard. The integumentary system is made up of our skin, hair, and nails. Each component has its own unique function, but together they form a cohesive unit that protects and supports our body. But the real star of the show is the skin. It's not just a simple covering. It's a dynamic organ that is constantly renewing itself and adapting to our needs. It's the largest organ in our body. Covering an average of 20 square feet, the skin is a remarkable structure that serves multiple functions. It's also the most exposed, facing the elements every single day. Whether it's the scorching sun, the biting cold, or the wind and rain, our skin is always on the front lines, protecting us from the environment. The skin is a dynamic and constantly changing organ. It has the incredible ability to heal itself, to regenerate, and to adapt to the ever-changing conditions it faces. It protects us from injury, infection, and the sun's harmful rays. The skin's outer layer, the epidermis, acts as a barrier, while the deeper layers work to repair and regenerate damaged tissue. It helps us regulate our body temperature. Through the process of sweating and the dilation or constriction of blood vessels, the skin plays a key role in maintaining our body's internal balance. And it even plays a role in our sense of touch. The skin is filled with nerve endings that allow us to feel sensations like pressure, temperature, and pain, helping us navigate and understand our environment. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of the skin and uncover the secrets beneath its surface. From its structure to its functions, the skin is a marvel of biological engineering that deserves our attention and care. The skin is made up of three layers: the epidermis, the dermis, and the hypodermis. These layers work together to protect our bodies, regulate temperature, and provide sensory information. Understanding the structure and function of each layer is crucial for comprehending how our skin operates and maintains overall health. Each layer has its own unique structure and function. The epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis each play distinct roles that contribute to the skin's overall performance and resilience. The epidermis is the outermost layer. It's the first line of defense against environmental hazards such as bacteria, UV radiation, and physical injuries. It's what we see and touch. This layer is responsible for our skin tone and contains cells that produce melanin, which gives our skin its color. This layer is made up of tough, dead cells that are constantly being shed and replaced. The process of cell turnover is essential for maintaining healthy skin and healing minor wounds. The dermis lies beneath the epidermis. It provides structural support and houses many of the skin's vital components. It's thicker than the epidermis and contains blood vessels, which supply nutrients and oxygen to the skin and help regulate temperature. The dermis also contains nerves, which allow us to feel sensations such as touch, pain, and temperature. Hair follicles and sweat glands are also found here, playing roles in hair growth and perspiration. The dermis gives the skin its strength and elasticity. Collagen and elastin fibers within this layer provide the skin with its ability to stretch and return to its original shape. The hypodermis is the deepest layer of the skin. It acts as a cushion, absorbing shocks and protecting underlying muscles and bones. It's made up of fat and connective tissue. This layer stores energy in the form of fat, which can be used by the body when needed. This layer helps to insulate the body and protect it from injury. The hypodermis plays a crucial role in maintaining body temperature and providing a reserve of energy. Together, these three layers form a complex and dynamic organ that is essential for our survival and well-being. The skin is our body's first line of defense against the outside world. It is a complex organ that serves multiple vital functions, ensuring our survival and well-being. It acts as a barrier to protect us from infection, injury, and harmful substances. The outermost layer, known as the epidermis, is constantly renewing itself to provide a fresh shield against potential threats. The skin also plays a crucial role in regulating our body temperature. This thermoregulation is essential for maintaining homeostasis, allowing our internal systems to function optimally. When we get hot, we sweat. Sweat glands in the skin release moisture, which then evaporates from the surface, helping to cool us down. As the sweat evaporates, it cools us down. This process is particularly important during physical activities or in hot environments, preventing overheating. When we get cold, blood vessels in the skin constrict. This process, known as vasoconstriction, reduces blood flow to the skin, minimizing heat loss. This helps to conserve heat. Additionally, the skin can generate goosebumps, which are tiny muscle contractions that create an insulating layer of air. Our skin is also a sensory organ. It is packed with nerve endings that allow us to perceive a wide range of sensations, from the gentlest touch to the sharpest pain. It's packed with nerve endings that allow us to feel touch, pressure, temperature, and pain. These sensory receptors send signals to our brain, helping us respond to our environment. This sense of touch is essential for our interactions with the world around us. It enables us to connect with others, navigate our surroundings, and protect ourselves from harm. Our skin is surprisingly good at keeping water in and out. The epidermis contains a waterproof layer that prevents us from absorbing too much water when we swim or bathe. It also prevents us from losing too much water through evaporation. This is essential for maintaining our body's fluid balance. Without our skin, we would quickly dehydrate. Section 5. Feeling the world around us. The sensory powerhouse. Think about the last time you petted a dog, felt a cool breeze, or winced at a paper cut. All of these sensations were made possible by the millions of nerve endings in your skin. These nerve endings send signals to our brains, telling us about the world around us. They allow us to experience the pleasure of a warm hug, the warning of a hot stove, and the gentle caress of a feather. Our sense of touch is a gift that we often take for granted. Section 6. Sunshine and vitamin D, the skin's role in health. Our skin plays a surprising role in our overall health. When exposed to sunlight, our skin produces vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for strong bones and teeth. It also helps our bodies absorb calcium. While too much sun can be harmful, moderate sun exposure is beneficial for our vitamin D levels. Just remember to protect your skin with sunscreen when spending time outdoors. Section 7. Fun facts about skin. Surprising and intriguing tidbits. Here are some fascinating facts about skin that you might not know. The average adult has about 20 square feet of skin. Skin is the body's fastest growing organ. We shed about 30,000 to 40,000 skin cells every minute. The color of our skin is determined by the amount of melanin we produce. Fingernails grow faster than toenails. Section 8. Beyond the surface. A glimpse into future explorations. We've only scratched the surface of understanding the complexities of the skin. Scientists are constantly making new discoveries about this remarkable organ. Research is underway to develop new treatments for skin diseases, improve wound healing, and even grow skin in the laboratory. The future of skin science is full of exciting possibilities. Section 9. Thank you, and stay tuned. A promise of more to come. Thank you for joining me on this journey beneath the surface of our skin. I hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for this incredible organ. Stay tuned for more fascinating explorations into the wonders of the human body.